Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT understands your questions and gives intelligent answers in seconds? In this video, we'll explain how ChatGPT works and show you how to use it step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. 2. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an advanced AI chatbot created by OpenAI. It's based on a language model called GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Simply put, it's designed to understand and generate human-like text. Text definition of GPT, OpenAI logo, animated brain or neural network graphics. 3. How it learns. ChatGPT was trained on massive datasets from the internet, books, websites, articles, and more. During training, it learns patterns in how we speak and write. It doesn't search the web for answers. It generates them by predicting the next best word. 4. The technology behind it. The secret behind ChatGPT is deep learning, especially a technique called a transformer. It breaks down your input, processes context, and generates coherent and logical responses. The more you interact, the smarter your results can feel. Transformer model illustration, data nodes connecting, smooth UI responses. 5. How to use ChatGPT. Using ChatGPT is simple. Step 1. Go to chat.openai.com. Step 2. Sign up or log in. Step 3. Type your message and hit enter. That's it. You can ask anything, from writing help and study questions to brainstorming ideas or even solving code problems. Screen recording of ChatGPT being used, typing and a prompt, sample responses. 6. Practical examples. Here are a few things you can do with ChatGPT. Write blog posts, scripts, or social media content. Get help with homework or study summaries. Generate business ideas or marketing plans. Fix or write code in seconds. The possibilities are endless. Split screen of each task, showing ChatGPT in action, blog writing, study help, coding. 7 tips for best results. To get the best results from ChatGPT, be clear and specific with your questions. You can also ask it to rewrite, simplify, or format text, like turning a paragraph into bullet points or adjusting tone for an email. Examples of clear versus vague prompts. ChatGPT improving answers, editing output. 8. Wrap up. Now you know how ChatGPT works and how to use it. This AI tool is changing how we learn, work, and create. So go ahead, try it out and explore what's possible. Happy user using ChatGPT, end screen with logo, website, and try it now. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite way to use ChatGPT. Thanks for watching.